Another tornado warning. And this one's for us. It'll be on the TV again.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern DeKalb County, Kane County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
If that
This
switches to
dangerous
TV
storm
guide,
was
tell me,
located along
okay?
United States Route 30 between Shabana and Waterman. This storm is moving
If the
northeast at
EAS
45
comes on,
miles
it'll
per
automatically
hour.
switch to TV
Locations
guide channel.
impacted include Hainkley, Maple Park, and Delburn. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
It's gonna happen as soon as this ends.
The following